ngiaplayele illegal aid representative kuba ngingenamali. Xa uba ibuye iphendulo isithi isicelo sami asiphumeleli, ndaxaba kanjani kuba kaloku kufuneka uya kwi-legal aid representation ngenxa yokuba imali ungenayo.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mgosi Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button and don't forget to smash the like button. People are talking about uNandipha Amagudumane's father ngemva kwesibambonela lapha enkantolo eBloemfontein. So uNandipha beka apply ukuthi bamphephela lawyer state. Unfortunately his application was declined, and he's saying he doesn't know why his application was declined, because these people kufanele basete abantu labangakhoni afford ama-lawyer. And nkosi yami, it's so sad ukuthi he's also part of this thing, and uNandipha wamfaka wathi shiqi wangena naye phakathi. And we are not saying ukuthi bekanganayo ichoice yokwala, bekanayo ichoice, but yena wakhetha indlela lebhedzako. So now people are saying ukuthi hey kubuhlungu masobona umuntu omdala osekakhuluma ngale ndlela, and uyabona ukuthi akanamali akanalutho. Some people are even saying ukuthi they feel sorry for lo make makwaNandipha, because umntwana usejele, baba usejele, nje konke usele yedwane. So sitholekazi yena uNandipha I think uye eyibona ngoku into awayenzayo eqenga uba uclever, kanti uzofika enkingeni, uzosifaka enkingeni nefamily yakhe. Guys, this is so sad, like so heartbreaking. And you could see iface yaNandipha nkosi yami lapha enkantolo ukuthi hey yana yakade ukuthi angenda njani. Yabona ufake baba wakhe enkingeni, baba wakhe afford lawyer, afford lutho, kobuhlungu nje. Uthi phele yena kodwa baba kwakufanele uyikhuze ingane mayiphambuka, ungabi mdimbi nayo. Oh okay. Uthi yena mathabza yena the pain in Nandipha's eyes nkosi yami, and the pain uyabona nje ukuthi if ngabe bekakhona kutshintsha and turn back the hands of time bekangakwenda lokho, but it's too late. Please do comment what you think below down in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. This is the end of my video. I am signing out. So goodbye.